Nuclide. An atom that is identified by the number of protons and neutrons in its nucleus. Nucleons. Particles in the nucleus. Mass defect. The difference between the mass of an atom and the sum of the masses of the atom's protons, neutrons, and electrons. Nuclear binding energy. The energy released when a nucleus is formed from nucleons. Nuclear shell model. A model that represents nucleons as existing in different energy levels, or shells, in the nucleus. Magic numbers. The numbers that represent the number of particles in an extra-stable atomic nucleus that has completed shells of protons and neutrons. Nuclear reaction. A reaction that affects the nucleus of an atom. Transmutation. The transformation of atoms of one element into atoms of a different element as a result of a nuclear reaction. Radioactive decay. The disintegration of an unstable atomic nucleus into one or more different nuclides, accompanied by the emission of radiation, the nuclear capture or ejection of electrons, or fission. Nuclear radiation. The particles that are released from the nucleus during radioactive decay, such as neutrons, electrons, and photons. Radioactive nuclide. A nuclide that contains isotopes that decay and that emit radiation. Alpha particle. A positively charged atom that is released in the disintegration of radioactive elements and that consists of 2 protons and 2 neutrons. Beta particle. A charged electron emitted during certain types of radioactive decay, such as beta decay. Positron. A particle that has the same mass and spin as an electron but that has a positive charge. Electron capture. The process in which an inner orbital electron is captured by the nucleus of the atom that contains the electron. Gamma rays. High-energy electromagnetic waves emitted from a nucleus as it changes from an excited state to a ground energy state. Half-life. The time required for half of a sample of a radioactive isotope to break down by radioactive decay to form a daughter isotope. Decay series. A series of radioactive nuclides provided by successive radioactive decay until a stable nuclid is reached. Parent nuclide. A radionuclide that yields a specific daughter nuclide is a later member of a radioactive series. Daughter nuclides. The nuclides produced by the decay of the parent nuclides. Artificial transmutations. Bombardment of nuclei with charged and uncharged particles. Transuranium elements. Elements with more than 92 protons in their nuclei. Radioactive dating. The process by which the approximate age of an object is determined based on the amount of certain radioactive nuclides present. Nuclear fission. The splitting of the nucleus of a large atom into two or more fragments releases additional neutrons and energy. Nuclear fusion. The combination of the nuclei of small atoms to form a larger nucleus releases energy. Critical mass. The minimum mass of a fissionable isotope that provides the number of neutrons needed to sustain a chain reaction. Chain reaction. A reaction in which the material that starts the reaction is also one of the products and can start another reaction.